In the 47th episode of the Chief Minister's Meet program, Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha listened to the needs and complaints of the people coming from far and wide in the state and gave necessary instructions to the officials in charge. The Chief Minister of the state is Dr. Manik Saha, who is very human. Apart from being the Chief Minister, Dr. Manik Saha is in charge of several departments. Naturally, the workload on him is high. Still, the Chief Minister, thinking about the helpless, poor, oppressed and helpless people, has started a program called Meet the Chief Minister every Wednesday, so that people can meet the Chief Minister to solve their problems. The 47th edition of the Chief Minister's Sami Pesu program was held on Wednesday. On this day, many people from different parts of the state attended the Chief Minister's Sami Pesu program to resolve their problems. Some came with land and property problems, some came for government assistance, others come for medical help. Basically, when ordinary people get tired of going from door to government offices with any problem, people rush to the Chief Minister's function. On this day, a helpless woman approached the Chief Minister. The woman's husband had died several years ago. Although she was supposed to receive government assistance, she did not receive it. The woman became frustrated after going door to door with the administration. Finally, after listening to the woman's story carefully, the Chief Minister instructed his secretary P.K. Chakravarti to talk to the Sadar Subdivision Administrator and make arrangements for the woman to receive government assistance. The Chief Minister also asked the woman to report back to the Chief Minister next time to see if her problem was resolved.
তপন বিশ্বাস ঠিক আছে PMJ, OBGP PMJ itu. Saya tak tahu. Tanya kan ni. সকালে আমি কথা বলছিলাম কমলবাবুর না ঠিক আছে স্যার বস এই বৃষ্টি থাকবে স্যার কালকে হ্যাঁ স্যার স্যার ঠিক আছে স্যার দেবী দেব স্যার
Present at the ceremony in the presence of the Chief Minister on this day were, apart from the Chief Minister's Secretary P.K. Chakravarti, Director of the Health Department Dr. Tapan Chakravarti, Secretary Kiran Git, Deputy MS of GB Hospital Dr. Kanak Chaudhary and officials of other departments. Reported by Pranav from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.